Well, I'll tell you without asking, all roads leads to Pretty and Lihasa. Prihasa's wedding this week, but I'm gonna be giving you the glitz and the glamour, the wedding, the photos of the wedding, even before my review comes through. Because what, we are not missing it for the world. Everything, I think, according to this week's episodes, is all about the wedding and everything that leads us to the wedding. So, with that said, let's get right into it. So, Pretty, the mother called her and said, you know what, I think at some point, itemper yakho ke sisi khawuthi ukuyijonga kancinci khawujonga itemper. It's like everything makes you tick, everything makes you angry, it upsets you. You just have a way of talking to people in a way that is not nice. First, it was, remember she shouted at Ubabalwa there in public actually. So again, I know she had time to sit and think about it and apologize to the mother and said, you know what, I think I made a mistake. It's the pressure of me getting married and everything that comes with it. It's actually getting into me. So I'm gonna come down now, because now, you know, when things are not going according to plan, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Skeem Saam Madekwana. Sanibona absheni molweni minjani. Hipukile Hingongwina. So Ukwaito, Thabo and Lieto, they are in the same setup, in the same house, Lieto's house, where they are preparing for the wedding. But before the wedding, did you see how Lieto looks at Babalwa? Did you see how Lieto is so interested in what Babalwa is doing, where she is, if she has eaten and stuff? How he's quick to say, no, ndizamfonela ngokwam. So it happened that there's a gift that's supposed to be taken from Lieto's house to the wedding, and then Babalwa came and Babalwa's assistant came through and take the wedding gift, and then she was on the phone. The queen was on the phone, and then Lieto said, you know what, I know that planning this wedding could have taken much from you. Have you eaten? We can go somewhere. Okay, I don't know why I'm screaming, but Mina, I smell after party. Go aba too. Anyway, so Upriti and Babalwa, they actually fixed things, and then Upriti apologized and said that she was just going through a lot and she thinks that everything is coming to place. But she was okay. Then Babalwa told her, you know what, the venue that you were crying about, it looks like we're gonna have it, because they saw the video and it's like it worked on our favor. Also, good news is your dress will be coming today, so it means that everything is on track. Photographer naye sebamtholile kushuthi konke kuhamba ngomomo. Well, speaking, I don't know if kuhamba ngomomo, because the groom had a conversation with his side chick prior to the wedding, and he said to her, she said, I would love to, congratulations on your wedding. I'd love to chit-chat, but I'm in a rush. The way I'm jonging akona, umalume did say, kono kungahlangani. Upriti makes a video to apologize to everyone. Nkosi is not going to the